So what fresh goodies do we have here? So this is a custom built firing system that we've done for a client, and he had some special requests. Basically this firing system is for special effects use, where he wants to mix the pyrotechnics and the solenoid valves or the air valves. Now typically when you're firing pyrotechnics, you don't need to worry too much about the actual pulse time that your cue or your channel is coming on for. So anything over maybe 50 milliseconds of current going to the pyro and boom, it explodes, you don't need to worry about it. With air valves and solenoid valves, of course, things are a little bit different because you need to control the duration of the valve going off to sort of achieve the desired effect. And typically these valves are used to, for controlling animatronics, or more likely for using compressed gas to throw out debris in a simulated explosion. So in the heat of the moment, getting fine control over these valves when you're manually firing can be quite hard. So he wanted a system from us where he could really easily set the actual duration that each cue is on for. And of course he wanted this in a unit which was very rugged and waterproof and very easy to use. So we've gone and built him this nice unit here. We have a very nice industrial key arming switch. You've got your battery meter, globally switchable 12 and 24 volts. We would recommend staying on 24 volts for your pyrotechnics, just so you can fire the maximum amount of pyro on a length of wire. But if you do have a 12 volt solenoid valve, it's quite easy just to globally switch that to 12 volts, and now you have 12 volts available at each cue. The batteries are obviously internal to the unit. We supply a 24 volt charger, which you just plug in here under this captive rubber charge bung. We've got these nice tactile switches, decent screw down binding posts with your 4mm banana plug in top. There's also holes in these binding posts where you can actually put your wires in and properly cinch them down. And of course it's built into our usual Seahorse rugged case, and we have a fully anodized 3mm aluminium front panel, which is very strong and scratch resistant. So how this unit works is very simple. You just set the duration you want your cue to be on for, and then of course you press the button to fire the cue. So the current delay that we've set up for this client is between about 0.2 and about 2 seconds, because that's what he requested. So you can see here that at the minimum delay, the cues are going to be on for about 0.2 of a second, but perhaps with cue number 2 or cue number 3, you have an air valve or solenoid valve connected to it, and you want to start varying that delay up to a couple of seconds. So when you're going through your effects, you can simply fire, and you'll see that these cues are starting to stay on for longer. So in this instance, the maximum delay is about 2.5 seconds, as you can see there. So these cues can also be fired concurrently, so hopefully that demonstrates that there. Both of these are on at the same time. So this unit is just really well built, very easy to use, and obviously it's been built for him to his custom requirements. Now, if you have some requirements, please do feel free to get in touch. I think you'd be surprised at how quickly and how easily we can build up really nice units like this. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.